So one of the things you don't want to happen with a contract is that a buyer and seller don't settle. However, you need to know your rights if that occurs. So if a buyer defaults and doesn't actually settle a contract, there are certain rights that a seller has to be able to enforce the contract. So one of the things is to actually go to court and require the buyer to settle the contract. So that's one option that a seller has. Another one is for you to terminate the contract and then sue the buyer for damages if they if they have any money that you're able to go after them for. So damages include the cost of reselling the property, so any agent's commission, legal fees, all those kind of things, marketing, you can recover those kind of costs. And then any deficiency in the resale price. So say you sell a property for $1 million and then the buyer defaults and you resell it for $900,000. That $100,000 is a deficiency in the resale price, and so you can recover that. So they're the kind of damages you can recover. And one thing though, that it's got to be damages over and above the deposit. Any deposit that's paid is usually defaulted if the buyer defaults. So you need to bear those things in mind and really get advice around what you can recover. There's also different ways that you actually terminate the contract, and you need to make sure that you do that correctly. So make sure you get advice. If you want to have any chats with us around that, please message us below or send us a message privately. We'd be happy to help you out. Have a great day. Bye.